what's up, Mark? Alright, so Mark and I are out here. It's a bit cloudy, but Mark and I are out here to make, guess what? A 5K meal. 5K, Ugandan, only 5K, bro, only 5K. And you're going to walk to that stall right there, buy ingredients that are sacred. Alright, you're going to cover it in a regular Ugandan Kampala kavera. I don't know what Mark is going to get, but I'm gonna wait. What do you have in mind, bro?
I love making breakfast, so I'm gonna try and get something that I can.
Alright. Please don't bring me mukene, because I
hate mukene.
After you bring it, I will go into my kitchen and we're going to cook out some awesome food. You ready for this?
I'm ready for
Alright,
that.
let's do this. We are looking forward to Easter, and I'm wondering what Mark is buying right now for the breakfast idea that we are going to make. So everything that is going to have is going to be kept in that black kavera that is carrying right there. It's going to be a secret wrap of ingredients in a regular black kavera, Ugandan classic. So when he's back, man, this guy's already done. Alright, so Mark is back. Hey Mark! It's good to have you back.
That was interesting.
So, how did it go? Alright, first question. Did you use all the 5K?
No, because we didn't have eggs.
Jackpot!
We need to get eggs. After that, I think we would have been on budget.
Okay. So, you ready? We go?
Yep.
Alright, let's get out of here and walk straight into the kitchen. Like we mentioned earlier, you got us a whole package of goodies.
Yes,
It's still a secret to me.
Yep.
Alright, cool. Let's look at it. Let's see. I'm excited. I'm super excited.
These are the items that I bought. Remember, this was just 5,000. I had a balance of 300 shillings.
Bro, it was 2K.
It was 2K.
No, this is 200.
That's 200. Yeah, so we had
This
a
is
balance
200
of
Ugandan
so I did
shillings.
well.
Let's
I did well.
Good. So we're working with almost like $1.
Breakfast for $1. I got sweet potato. I'm so used to eating Irish, so I thought we could just change it up a bit, see what we can do with sweet potato. I don't really like sweet potato, but
cool.
maybe you can make something good there.
Alright, okay. Touchdown. Sukuma in the building.
Sukuma in the house.
Alright, what else do we have? Garlic. Big
Garlic.
fan. Big fan.
My wife loves garlic, so that's for her. And then coriander.
Yeah, some freshness.
First time I tested that, I asked the chef, what did you put in my food? It's just
Tastes good.
Yep. And then the egg.
Are you excited for it?
I'm really excited.
Alright, so we're going to make a sukuma shakshuka meal, but with a side of Mugoyo.
Okay.
Have you had Mugoyo before?
No.
Classic Ugandan
meal. First time I'm hearing the word, so
let me give you the recipe.
Alright.
Before I get started with that, Mark, do you want to stay around as I cook?
No, not really. I'm gonna go behind the camera like everybody else and just watch you do your
Alright,
thing.
okay, cool.
To interrupt you.
Cool, now this is my zone, people, as Mark steps out. Alright, so Mark, there you go. Now, I'm just gonna put this all away. This is an awesome vitamin idea that you can put up for a great dish. So, all this put into this paper bag by Mark. So I'm just gonna put them down right there. Starting off with my potatoes. We have our potatoes cleaned up. Just gonna put these guys right there. Now get your sukuma, put it together, tie it up in a bundle. Is coming up, and some of you are thinking, what am I going to cook for my children, for my husband, for my wife? Simple things that you can whip up and you have a good meal going. So I have my garlic right here. Just use about 2 cloves. Coriander as well. Just try and get off the leaves, alright? Earthiness from these guys. Cut these guys up into chunks. Get all these sweet potato chops in there. Nice cubes. You just make it lesser. If you want to keep them smaller, better. Alright? And a glass of milk in there. Now, why are we using milk? We want to bring in something more creamy, something more buttery. Put some garlic as well. In black pepper, there we go, nice, but a pinch. People think you adding salt into your milk is going to mess it up. No, just seasons the milk perfectly seasons the milk. So there we go again, rightfully just about a pinch will do. One pot running down for a Mugoyo dish, and then the other is going to have sukuma cooking. Now why you want to cook the sukuma first, you want to retain that green pigment. Going in there, heat it up with about 1 gram of sodium bicarbonate, a little bit of salt in that same water. The sukuma going in there, all right, there. Let that steam. We have had the potatoes cook for about 10 minutes and they're really soft. I should show you guys what I'm talking about. Here we go, really soft. That's how you want them, okay? That container right there. Please make sure that your mashed potatoes are still hot or warm, okay? When they get cool or cold, they're going to be hard to mash up. There we go, just press down, okay? Make sure you can get as much mashed potato as you can. Ready, okay? It's a bit cozy. It's not entirely mashed through, but it's a bit cozy because I wanted to have pockets of chunks and bits of sweet potato and then some mushiness in there. So I have my leftover cooked beans, right, from yesterday's servings. If you have some of those in your fridge, those will come in handy. If you don't have these, use green peas, nicely cooked. So I'm just going to have those going there. Oh, look at that, people. Right there. And then just carefully mix these guys up. All right, there we go. So let's put this guy aside and work on our shakshuka. All right, yeah, beautiful. This is what we need for a shakshuka. We need some eggs, sukuma, the tomatoes. We need some seasoning of salt and black pepper. On fire, heat it up with a hint of vegetable oil. Onions in. All right, there we go. Get that sizzle going. Then heat it up with some garlic in there. Just going to use my metallic strainer or sieve, and then just let that drip out some more. Cut your tomatoes whichever way you want, out a few slices, and get them at the base of that pan right there. Oh, look at that, beautiful. And then pour it right in the center right there. Shakshuka city, baby. Right, so want to flavor up our shakshuka. So a little bit of cumin, a little bit of black pepper, white soy sauce. So these are the main ingredients that Mark gave us. Chicken egg. Crack these guys open and then pour them right in there. Don't scramble, just let it be. A little bit of salt on top there. Remember, we have some saltiness from the soy, so you have to go really careful. A little bit of milk on the side. Come on guys. Saltiness from coriander right in there. Pick up some tomatoes right there. Pick up some of that sukuma right in there, guys. Look at this. Oh my word. I love my yolk sunny, so I'm just gonna pick up this guy with some of that sukuma. Oh my word. Come on, guys. Come on. This is breakfast reloaded.
Someone told me this was 5K, I would not believe it.
Yeah, all that you have in your household. I mean, we had leftover beans from yesterday, something that you didn't buy from the market, but we improvised, okay? We also had the eggs, just 2 eggs, putting in lots and lots, a good amount of protein in there.
I gotta tell you, I'm not so certain about the eggs. Watch, maybe she will have them. Me, no? But yeah.
But it's a good experience, it's a good start.
Okay.
Alright, so let's dig in, Let's dig in. So
Good.
just make sure you have bits of everything, alright?
Yeah,
Get bits of the mugoyo, get bits of your sukuma in there, and then bits of the egg, and that, oh, look at that runny yolk. Nice.
That's yours.
Oh man, I love this. There we go. There we go. Oh my god.
I told you there's something about coriander.
Oh my god. Beautiful. For me, I'm so excited that this has worked.
Yeah, I'm so excited as well. Thank you for having me on the show. That's great. We need to do this more often.
Yeah, sure. He wants to eat some more.
This is the reward I'm getting.
He wants to eat some more. So my name is Chef Aaron from Cookmania. It's been a wonderful experience cooking up with just UGX5OOO. You guys, this is an experience, but we're going to continue doing this Happy Easter to all of you. Happy Resurrection weekend. I hope you enjoy yourselves. We out. Love you. Bye. Till next time. Bye bye.